My name is Karla Hutt. I am an ARC Future Fellow and Head of the Ovarian Biology Laboratory, which is in the Department of Anatomy and Developmental Biology, and also the Monash Biomedicine Discovery Institute. My research is focused on identifying and characterising the factors that are really essential for the growth and development of healthy eggs in the ovary, and then using this information to improve women's health and fertility. Recently, we made the really exciting discovery that eggs are exceptionally good at repairing their DNA if it becomes damaged. So all women are born with their lifetime supply of eggs, which makes them really one of the longest living cells in the human body. In fact, an egg ovulated by a woman in her 40s was actually formed in her ovaries before she was even born. And this means that eggs are exposed to years of stresses that might damage their DNA. And this can contribute to a reduction in both the number of eggs available and also in the quality of those eggs, particularly in women over the age of 35. In addition to this, two of the most devastating side effects of some cancer treatments are infertility and menopause. And this occurs because cancer treatments work by causing damage to cancer cells, but they can also damage the DNA of other cells in the body, including eggs, which triggers them to die. So my group has discovered that if we prevent those eggs from dying when exposed to cancer treatment, they can actually repair all of the damage they've sustained, and they can do it so well that their health is completely restored. Currently available fertility preservation strategies for girls and women with cancer have significant limitations, and they're not suitable for all patients. So our work provides an essential step towards developing truly effective fertility preservation strategies for women with cancer so that they can have a family later in life, should they wish to. It also has important implications for supporting and improving women's reproductive health as they get older. And this is particularly important as many women do not start their families until their later reproductive years. We are also working to carefully evaluate the impacts of existing and emerging cancer treatments like PARP inhibitors and immunotherapies on the ovary and fertility. And it's our goal that this information that we generate in the lab could then be used by women and their doctors to make fully informed treatment decisions, so that the risks and benefits of available therapies can then be considered based on accurate experimental evidence. Monash provides a really rich collaborative research environment with world-leading experts across a really broad range of disciplines, and they're all at your fingertips, which stimulates novel thinking and novel discoveries. We also have research infrastructure, including our technology platforms that are second to none, and this provides us with the most cutting-edge technologies, which just makes research so much more exciting. I was also lucky enough to be supported by the Monash Biomedicine Discovery Institute Outstanding Women in Science Fellowship. And this has really enabled me to establish a new lab within the Institute and investigate new big problems.